and it's 48. Well, 48 is 13 plus b, so you subtract 13 and that's 35. And one more problem is this one right here. Well, you don't need a graph for this. I mean, you can, but like you don't need one. Well, you know that this is the x-axis since it's 0. The y-axis since y is 0. Well, they just moved it down. Well, if you moved it down, and this is a kite, which means these two are congruent and like opposite to each other, so this is -8 because this line right here makes it two triangles, so basically it's a reflection. And right here, well, you look at this right here, and you know these two are the same height, so it's y equals 8. And right here, you see, well, this is 15, and no, right, yeah, 15, and this is 12. Well, the difference is 3, so you just add 3 on this side because these two are congruent. Therefore, that's how you do it. This is practice problems part 2. And this is basically the same thing as the last one, it's just more details. Well, for all the kind of problems you get like this, like all of these, you can see a common trait in them. And it's basically, each of these are basically the exact same thing on the other side. Therefore, the middle line is always the midpoint for all of these. It might not look like it, like right here, but it is. Therefore, if we go back to the one we're doing, these two are congruent. No, parallel. Yeah, congruent. And these two are parallel. Well, we know our formula, which is 1 over 2, in parentheses, base 1 plus base 2. Well, we don't know what one of the bases are, so we start backwards. Well, it equals x in most situations, but in this situation is 24. Okay, well, and we know what base 1 is, and it's 13. So we work backwards. Well, we want to know what b is, so instead of multiplying, you divide by 1 over 2.